Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix speaker not working problem in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then click on do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and then click on reset. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.